Interoperability pertains to the ability of different health information systems, devices, and applications to access, exchange, and use patient data seamlessly and accurately across organizational boundaries. For patients and caregivers, interoperability is used to provide a higher level of coordinated and efficient healthcare. This means that all your healthcare systems, like your doctor's office, your pharmacy, and your health apps, can talk to each other and share your medical information easily. This helps your healthcare providers to work together better and give you the best care without repeating tests or missing important details. As it stands today, it's often up to health advocates or care coordinators to make sure all the information gets communicated, connected, correlated, and managed properly across these systems.